Yung binabanggit niyo po kanina, Yusek, na meron kayong kasunduan na dito sa mga tech platforms na ito, pag halimbawa ang ginagaya na is Pangulo, may kinalaman sa national security ng bansa, mas madali mapa-take down sa kanila. Hanggang dun lamang po yung usapan ninyo. When it comes to fake news, hindi nila kayang gawin. If it's obvious na fake news, sila
Meron,
na mismo ang sariling mag-take down yan?
we had a very good question, DJ Chacha. No? About a month ago, we have this discussion with all three of them. And I think Meta was very, was very proud to say that they actually blocked approximately or took down 15 million daw accounts. Worldwide naman ito. In the Philippines, siguro mga 2. Malaki din. Mga 2 or even less than 2 million yung numbers of fake accounts. These are accounts that looks like bots. Yung mga one-day-old pero kung saan-saan nagpo-post, nagkakalat ng comment. They said that they removed most of this, but we still call their attention. And now, thank you for giving me the platform again, no? Apart from Congress. I'll still call their attention kasi mukhang kulang pa. But they do report to us. Meron kaming open line sa kanila at sinasabi nila kung ilan yung kanilang nabablock. In fact, ang karamihan din sa kanilang mga nabablock ay yung mga child pornography. May mga na-take down din. Sa tulong na rin ng DICT, may mga na-take down din tayong mga groups that are fake illegal recruiters, fake recruitment of the armed forces. May marami na rin tayong mga nahuling mga posters na ganyan. But fake news, eto na, trolling, I have to admit, medyo nahihirapan kami dun sa trolling kasi nga we have to also respect certain right.
Pwede bang
people to express their opinion.
Yusek, doon sa mga troll farms na ito, pwedeng mag-regulate ang gobyerno sa usapin ng taxation doon sa mga kumikita bilang bahagi ng troll farm?
Magandang suggestion, Kated. Pero I don't think kailangan ng regulation. I mean, I think if you are a business entity engaged in a business, then you're supposed to pay taxes. And then the president just signed a digital taxation law about a few months ago. And even if you are a software provider or a service provider in offshore, but you're providing digital services, let's say these troll farms and digital services, then you should pay taxes. So yun, kailangan lang nating hulihin yun in terms of taxation, which BIR naman ang titingin doon.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano hindi naman siguro yung troll farm na yan ay isang opisina lang na magkakatabi sila doon, di ba? Na may mga computer. Kung hindi maaring working from home na sila, di ba? At meron lamang silang iba-ibang mga gadgets and then iba-ibang kanilang mga tawag doon, handle, para sa kanilang aktibidad.
Actually, yung iba may software na robot. Ang tawag namin. Yun yung tinatawag nating bot, no? Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-create ka ng multiple account kasi po-program mo yun. Tapos, using the API of Meta, which Meta allows, by the way, magpo-post na yun. Ang sarili niya. So, software-based yan.
Oo.
Okay.
Yusek,
Sige.
doon sa issue halimbawa, kung matuloy man, hindi pa naman natin sure, itong sinasabi ng ilang mga kongresista, ngayon si PCO Secretary J. Ruiz, sinasabi din niya, it's about time na dapat may regulation na on social media. Kapag nangyari yon, pwede ba na halimbawa kung may regulations na tayo on the use of social media, itong mga platforms na to, pag di sila sumunod, kagaya halimbawa sa China, walang Facebook sila doon for their own reasons din kung bakit di nila inaalaw ang Facebook sa bansa nila. Dito sa atin, pag di sumunod, itong mga platforms na to, may posibilidad na ipasara rin sila, halimbawa, ng Pilipinas. Same with kapag regulated, halimbawa, ang isang stasyon, kung di kayo sumusunod, tanggal prangkisa, halimbawa, wala na kayong franchise. Pwedeng ganun ang mangyari soon?
Yes. Kung i-regulate ka kasi, then you have to have some sort of police power over it. Kasi kung wala yung regulation. So the answer, DJ Chacha, is that yes, if the law will allow it, then we block them. So hopefully, staggered basis. Wag naman yung
auto-block agad.
Pwede namang 1 day, 2 days, 30 days. Pwede namang ganun.